Hello, my name is Keysha Styles. I work for the City of Austin Parks and Recreation Program. I am a recreational program instructor. I have a program for cooking. Actually, the program name is Challenging Kids to Cook, but in this case, this is for everyone. So today we will be preparing wraps. Not wraps, but wraps and food. So today we're going to make a veggie wrap. I'm using a whole grain tortilla. You're free to use whatever tortilla you choose. I like my grains because I like my tummy to feel very, very well. So this is just flat out whole grain tortilla, 100 calories for one. I have all my lovely vegetables over here. So this is called the High Five, and it's only 5 ingredients. That's why it's called High Five. You can make this anywhere, any time of the day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. This wrap is great. The great thing about making wraps, you can put anything inside of your wraps. Be creative. You want tuna, you want turkey, you want beef, you don't want any meat, you want all veggies, vegan. Do it. Be creative with it. This one I love. I have some cream cheese. I'm going to spread a little bit across here. I have some Jubliee carrots. I have an English cucumber that I've already sliced. I have a Roman tomato, and I really love dill. Have you ever had the smell of dill? Like, it reminds you of a great pickle. You can do a lot with dill. So, I have my tortilla, I have a spatula. You're gonna need something really great to help you spread this out because some things doesn't always cooperate. So I have a spatula. I'm gonna smear. I have about, say 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. You do not want dairy, that's fine. Avocado goes great. Hummus is even better. I love hummus. You can make your own hummus at home, but that's another day. We're gonna go ahead and continue with our High Five wrap. I'm gonna spread all this down. You don't have to spread it all over. I'm gonna put all of mine kind of right in the middle of my wrap. Just spread right in the middle. I'm gonna use all my cream cheese. I love cream cheese. It is so great. Now, like I said, you do not like dairy. I understand. You do not have to use it. Be very creative. Use what you want. You can also do this in a dessert style. So whether you have peanut butter, Nutella, some type of fruit preserve. Ooh, I think we might do that one again. I think I like that. I love bananas. I make another wrap with bananas, peanut butter, honey, and some cinnamon before I work out. Awesome. And I feel like Superwoman. Gives me that energy. I have my wrap smeared with my cream cheese. I am going to now lay my cucumbers down. And there is no certain formation to lay your cucumbers down. I'm gonna kind of like lay my fan side by side on top of each other because I love cucumbers. Very cool, refreshing. Done right there. I have my dill. Have a little chopping knife. There is no certain way to chop dill. Be sure before you get started to wash all of your vegetables. I have a towel that I use when I wash my vegetables. So I did wash my tomato. I washed my English cucumber really well. I did wash my dill very well, and I let them dry because I do not want the water on my wrap because it'll make it soggy. And who wants a soggy wrap? I don't. It's already bad when you have a wrap that's already falling apart because you haven't folded correctly. So, dill is chopped. It's gonna take a little bit and just sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I love dill, so I have a lot. You can use a lot, you can use a little. It's really up to you. It's no certain amount. I'm going to lye my Jubliee carrots. You can Jubliee your own carrots. Take your carrot. You have a grater. Shred it. Here you go. You're really good with the knife. Have a carrot. But I'm not that good. I always seem to cut up fingernails. And yeah, I don't want fingernails in my mouth. Have my tomato. I'm gonna wipe off my knife. I'm gonna use about 1/4 of my tomatoes. I'm gonna cut it down the middle. Remove the part I'm not using. Like I said, I'm gonna use 1/4. So I'll cut it in half, cut that part in 1/4, cut the little piece of my stem off, and I'm just gonna go down. Actually, I'm gonna use a little bit more tomato. I love tomatoes. You are allergic to tomatoes, please do not use them. I feel like I needed to say that. I love seafood, and I can't have shellfish And I have to tell myself that because the smell of it makes me want to eat it, but then I don't want to look like a blowfish. You know, I've been through a long story. Anyway, cutting up my tomatoes. I'm using half of my tomato, probably not all the way half. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit here because you want to be able to fold your wrap. Guess what? We're done. This is completed. So you want to know how to wrap without it coming apart. You actually just fold over, and your things might fall out. That's fine. Just push it back in. You're gonna pull your tortilla and just fold. Bam! It's done. It's tucked. It's tight. I'm gonna cut it in half. Yes. And then this is your ending product. In the middle, you have high five wrap, cool, refreshing, full of flavor. This is gonna be so great. I can't wait. Now you can eat this with anything you like. Whether you want to add, you already have carrots, but if you want carrot sticks, add carrot sticks. Celery sticks, sweet peppers on the side with a little bit of ranch possibly. Veggie chips, baked chips, add to it. Have your lunch, but I'm going to taste this because this is one of my favorite wraps, especially with the summer here. It's like so crunchy, so refreshing. I wish there was an app that would let you bite this with you. So delicious. Okay, we're done. I'm going to finish this. My name is Keysha Styles. This is Challenging Kids to Cook in the city of Austin. Have a great day. By the way, be safe. Wear your mask. Wear your gloves. Stay 6 feet. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.